come on. Come on. How much it dragged it out? Something's gone. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Oh my God, wait. Get a camera, get a camera. Oh my God! Good afternoon, everyone. Dean Lomas, the Neurodivergent mechanic here. Got a belter of video coming up, so stay tuned and click the subscribe button. Latest taters. Don't like that anymore. Fell out with it. Fell out with that one. Right, got this. T6.1, come in. Injector knock. They sent the injectors away. They said these are one of the worst injectors they could have ever done. They all have contamination. So Simon is just about to up there.
Need multiple pairs of hands for this tool.
And you need an adjustable.
I shall grab one. You madman.
A little bit tough, that.
That's a good guess, wasn't it? Oh, there she is.
Wow, that was really good. Yeah. Some action there, mate. Some action. Right, we're ready.
Ready. Does it look?
Where's your torch?
There.
Was that up there, please? Oh, he's got one. Oh, you ready?
2 torches. Does it look like it's
Yeah.
full of bits?
It's going to be a bigger hole than what it's made for. Oh no, it's not. It's a fuel tank. Goes down this way.
Yeah.
Ooh. How is it? It's not as bad. Is that? Oh, dunk!
Got a lovely colour of blue.
I'll tell you what.
Some bits.
Couple of bits,
bits
but
of bits, but not.
we swill it. There's a bit of gold down there, but yeah, can you see? I'm on it. It's a very, very clean tank. Okay, so it's not contamination, so fuel pump's okay. Ooh, I'm happy with it just being a knackered injectors and poor fuel. So it's probably had loads of water in it, and then the rust has gone through the system. You know, with this cheap fuel.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, right. So, first thing of anything, when you're doing a diag, turn the heaters and everything, all the lights and everything off. I'm got to. This van came in a few months ago, and the customer says, "Oh, I'm going to go get rid of it." Oh, look at this. Look at this. 4th vehicle today, which has come in with washers. I've forgotten. Screen wash. We always try and top up with screen washes when they come in because it's a pet hate of mine. Where what else aren't people checking on the car? So got my think car, think tool, 391. I'm just gonna go and do a full scan and see what goes on. I love this tool. It is proper good. Comes up Ford Transit, buckets of faults. Don't know if you can see that. So I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna diag this. If I do a video, great. If I don't, I might do another one on something else. Like it says. This is my day off today. Oh, look at his flag. You like that flag? Are we like it on the camera? No, your face. Look at him, look at him, look at him, he's well happy. We don't get him on camera, he's got a face of radio. So, yesterday we got this transit in. My mate, Castle Windows, come in, it goes into limp, etc. sometimes, and engine management light and reduced performance. Went to get the glow plugs out, and number 3 has snapped. So, we've soaked it overnight with a bit of torsion. That's good. Oh wait, sorry. Torsion. Where's the snapped one? Here's a snapped one, so you can see how much is still in there. Luckily, we've got all the threads out. That's the easy bit. We've got the threads out. We are going to now extract it. So I've got a tap. I drilled it out to 5mm, and I've got a 3/16.
3/4.
No, 3/16. Anyway, we've got a tap in there. And then, what I'm going to do, go on, turn your sausage. I'm just going to go and go a bit wild. So, Mike, I want you to hold that. Oh, look at this, look at laser tools going. Wait, my camera's going all wonky. Laser tools, impact gun to remove glow plugs. Have you got the gun out? Yeah. It's like kits everywhere. You hold that, 1, 2, down in the centre, bit of air. Let's go. I'm quite excited for this, Mike.
How'd you get it to work? What do you want it to look at?
It might follow. You're down there, you have to push it down. Is it there? Yeah. There.
Turn it up at the bottom.
Full whack, mate. Push! Push! Do you know I'm doing this, Mike? Do you know what I'm doing?
So it shocks it.
So the tap's not going any further in. So without the tap going further in, what's that bit there? What's wobbling out? What's this? Here. What is it?
It's what you pin for holding you.
Oh no, it's the magnet for the middle. Hey up, Jack.
Hey up.
What are you doing?
Big job, man.
No, mate, just a little one. The pin's coming out of this one. Come, Jack. Do you want me to turn the camera off?
That's alright. Ignition. We need an ignition barrel and steering. Like, we can do that. Someone do the ignition barrel.
What's on?
Boxer.
Ignition barrel and steering lock.
Yes, the ignition barrel fell apart on the box. Right.
Okay, yeah, we can do that. Easy enough. It'll have a transponder on the outside. Dead easy. Oh, slide off. Right, let's take it out. Oh, it did go in. Right, now that's gone in then. What we'll do is go and get this. How's that fastening in there? Just go
No, it doesn't. That was for. Oh yeah, that was for.
this one.
Yeah. Right.
Does it go all the way through? So it did tap. Come on. Come on, darling.
And was that for the threaded bar? No.
That's for that. What size is it, Mike? Do we get a socket on it? Yeah, we might do. Actually, I might do it. Let's see how it sits. That sits there, and that draws it out. So this draws it out. Whoop.
Yeah.
Does that turn? Oh. Oh, right. Ah, so then I turn. I know. Yeah, I might want to wind that in a bit, please. Oh, where's your socket? Oh, yeah, I got what's fine. See what size it is first. 9? 9mm. So it'll be 3/8. It'll be 3/8 because it's AF this thread. 9mm. That's it. And there was me thinking that it was turning it. We could run it until it spits it out.
Won't come out, take the manifold off.
Yeah, spit it out a bit. That's tight. It's got a lot of threads in there. Right, so that's quite far in. Big one, the big chunky side. 27. Yes. Oh, the camera's good there, isn't it? Oh, the camera's that good. Right, so. It's been a long time since I used this kit. Probably had it. 12. Tighten everything up. Yeah, leave it on there for now. Come on, there we go. You're not going to ratchet one of these? 30mm ratchet spanner. Oops. Ooh. Don't want that to turn, we just want it to pull. Wow. Wow. That's tight. If you'd see my face, you'd see the expressions on my face, you'd be like, oh no, oh no, no. Come on. There we go. The problem is if it's this tight, it might. I'm taking some strain that. I can feel something's going to go. Thing is, we've got no choice, have we? So if it comes out, because the threads are out, so we can't put anything in there. No. It can't drop in because of the end of the glow plug. So we can put a bung in, put a bung in to make sure it dingy. Something's going on. Something's going on. I'm sweating. Nice and slow, steady. Don't get excited. Don't get excited, Dino. Don't get all giddy. Nice, steady pace. Nice, steady pace. It's moved that much. I don't know whether it's a good thing or a bad thing, but whatever it is, it's tight as hell. Actually, look at my hand. Look at that. That's how tight it is. I'm trying to hold the spanner while to hold it, stop it turning, so it doesn't tighten up on itself. And come on, come on, yeah. Long spanner. The airline just popped. I need to go and get them poly. Do you know, like a radiator pipes? I need to get them. Well, there's another couple of £1,000. People are like, oh my God, you must be loaded, you've got a garage. No, you just see how much you have to buy. It's absolutely ridiculous. Right, something's happening now because that's come out loads. That's come out loads, that now. Something's happening. Something's happening. Something's happening. Come on. Dream work makes teamwork. No. Teamwork makes dream work. I had Cocoa Pots for breakfast this morning. What? You mean you don't have time? I woke up at 5, thought I'm not getting up now. And I waited and waited. I just lay there because I get cramps in my hands. So I just lay there thinking, you know what? I'm just going to.
I woke up thinking about light fittings and carpets.
Did you? What light fittings?
Cheap ones.
Go to Range. The Warrington's good one. And this is not a promotion for Range. It's just got cheap light fittings. Or just have a bulb dangling in the middle room. Is that there? Is that we're there? We're there? Are we there? Have we done it? Do you know how much I'm charging for this? A lot. Because I don't have to take his cylinder head off. I could charge him the same price as taking his cylinder head off. No, I'm not really. It's my mate. Oh, come on. Come on. Look how much it dragged it out. Something's gone. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Oh my God, wait. Get a camera, get a camera. Oh my God! Look at, wait, can we get a proper picture of how carboned it up? That is absolutely incredible. Yeah? That is amazing. So then I need to do this and go, oh, look at me glow plug. That is absolutely amazing. Well, are you impressed?
Yeah.
I'm proper impressed. Well done, Mike. Listen, all we needed, a bit of patience, talking about carpets and light fittings, and we got our glow plug out. What time is it? Yeah. How's that for your breakfast? You're well happy. I've now got to find a CAN network fault on a Range Rover. Wish me luck. Oh, don't forget like and subscribe.
Oh, wrong way. Hey up, boys and girls. Long time no see. I'm just recording this so Dean can see it. Hi Dean. Hope you're doing alright. Got me own chair and everything. I can't go too close because you can't see them details. Printer's screaming at me. I'm speaking to the camera for a little bit.
Why?
Say hi.
Okay.
Because I've not said hi in a while.
You need some wine?
It's just ruined it, hasn't he?
Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want many more and you want to get a notification that the next one's out, click subscribe, whichever way it may be, and I'll get some more out. See you in a bit.